Hello students, welcome in your Alga 8 class. This is a summary video about your unit 5 term 2. So in this unit we will read about the value of teachers. So firstly we will start with our phonics session, and in our phonics session we will do soft C and hard C. So students, on your SR1 there are some words regarding hard C and soft C. The left side corner is about hard C and right side is about soft C. So hard C is about k sound. If our word is followed by a, o, u or consonant, then our C letter create the sound k. K. So let's read the first word, castle. It's castle. Castle, because next to C there is a letter A. After that, count. Count, because after C there is a letter O. Next word is come, cast. So these are the words related with hard C because it gives the sound k. And right side there are some words related to soft C. So here our C letter gives the sound s. S. If our letter C followed by E, I, Y, then it creates the sound S, such as in word city, cement, space, nice. So another words are there, cat, cup, because in these two words our letter C is followed by A, and in cup our letter C is followed by U. After that, circle, cycle. Here you can see the two C letters. First one C, it comes before I, so it gives the sound S, and after that it comes before L, so L, it creates the sound K. So these words are circle and cycle. This is all about your phonics session. In our whole word session we complete 5 words. These are though, always, early, color and became. Though we can use this word for halanki, yadyapi. Always we use this word for hamesha. Early means jaldi, color and became banna. So here is a worksheet related to these whole word session. Circle those whole words in this paragraph. Dear student, here is a paragraph and you have to circle the whole word from this passage. So our paragraph is, my teacher Miss Malti was a very nice teacher. She would always think to fun ways to teach us new things. So here in second sentence we have a word always. After that, one day we learned about the brain using different colors. So colors we learned in our whole word session. The other day she acted like a king to teach how Mughals ruled over India. She had given us homework where we had to talk to our parents about water. Though lessons were hard at first, they always became easy. We come early to Miss Malti's class. So early, though and colors, these are your whole words. So please circle these words in your worksheet number 2. Okay students, now I am going to show you a video about this unit. So please please watch this video and tell me about the theme and main idea and how to write sentence in a paragraph. Watch this video very carefully.
What do students around the world have in common? Hopes, dreams, yes, but also teachers. So many of the things we know how to do in our lives are thanks to a teacher. Thanks to a teacher, you've learned how to learn. It's their skill and passion that inspire students and help them realize their dreams, which can lead to a better world for us all. We thank doctors and nurses for saving lives. We thank police officers and firefighters for protecting us. We thank artists and writers for advancing our cultures. How often do we take the time to thank teachers for helping us achieve our goals, for empowering our workforce of tomorrow, and for showing us that we can change the world? Every day is the best day to thank a teacher.
So students, you watch a video just now. So can you tell me the main idea of this video? Okay, so the main idea of the story was mostly about means it tells us what is the story telling us or what was the story mostly about. In this video we watch, this is all about teachers, and you have another story related to Radhakrishnan Sarvepalli, who is a great teacher of India, and he was invited to England by a British general. So he after that he cracked a joke on him and used to say that Indians are brown in color but British are white because God loved them. But Sarvepalli replied his joke by asking another joke, and he used to say that we all come from a part of a pancake, and we came from a frying pan. So that's why God created us when he was in the mood to was in the mood to make a crispy cake, and British are the cakes with they are not perfectly cooked. So this is a brilliant story about Radhakrishnan Sarvepalli from your SR. So please read this story and find the main idea of the story. So if we read the story, we came to on the conclusion that the main idea of the story is mostly about how Dr. Radhakrishnan responded to the commented by a British general. So this is a table which you can write draw in your notebook. After that you can write the details regarding any text or any story. So if we want the theme of the story, so the theme of the story is the lesson learned from a story. Here are some steps to find the theme of the story. Step 1 is first we find the main idea of the story. So in Radhakrishnan Sarvepalli, the main idea of the story is the story was mostly about how Dr. Radhakrishnan responded to a joke made by a British general about people of different colors. And then step 2 is ask yourself, what did I learn from the story? So the theme of the story is I learned that people of all colors are equal. So students, the theme of the story is about what we learn from the story, and the main idea is about what the writer want to say in the story or the story was mostly about. So here in your writing and speaking sessions, we will completed parts of a paragraph and how to write a paragraph. So here are some topic sentence, supporting details, adding details, and title. These are 4 elements of the story. In topic sentence, the sentence tells the reader the main idea of the story. So in topic sentence, your sentence will tell you the main idea of the paragraph. After that you can mention some supporting sentence and adding some supporting details. After that, title the story. This is based on the paragraph is mostly about. If you want to write a paragraph, so you can draw a table. In first column you can write about the title, after that topic sentence, after that supporting sentence, and adding details. So in title we can mention the title of the story. Suppose the title of the story is Sonu's cat, and the topic sentence are Sonu had a cute happy cat. After that, supporting sentences are Sonu's mother and father had got him the cat because he loved animals. He took care of it very well. well. So these are supporting sentence, and adding details are the cat would drink milk and sleep all day. Sonu loved his cat very much. So this is this is a table, and if you want to write the story, you can write it like that. This is the final paragraph. Sonu had a cute, happy cat. Sonu's mother and father had got him the cat because he loved animals. He took care of it very well. The cat would drink milk and sleep all the day. Sonu loved his cat very much, and Sonu's cat is the title of this paragraph. So you can write, or you can think about any incident about yourself when you got angry, when you are happy, and a time when someone is kind to you or you kind to anyone. So you can write the story like that. Dear students, in our grammar session we completed noun phrases. So a noun phrases can be made by adding words that give us more details about the noun if it is the subject or the object. So noun is the naming things, but as some additional words give another additional information. We can add some words, adjective words with noun, and this become a noun phrase. So a noun phrase is a group of word that acts like a noun. A noun phrase is a group of words that act as a noun. So let's see some sentences regarding this. In your worksheet 3, here are some sentences. For example, the A part is the big hairy cat drank milk. Now we know we are going to find the noun. Firstly, we will find the noun. So here the cat word is a noun, and the big hairy are additional words or adjective words, and the big hairy cat is a noun phrase. If we want to find only noun, then we can circle cat word. Cat is a noun, but now we want to make a box around a noun phrase, then we choose some another words which describe a cat, like the big hairy cat. So put a box around the big hairy cat. After that, in B sentence, she lives in a big shiny city. So city is a noun, but big shiny city, if we circle these words, it become a noun phrase. A big shiny city. In next sentence, Rahul baked a round chocolate cake. Here cake is a noun, no doubt Rahul is a noun, but we want to underline the noun phrase. So here round chocolate cake. A round chocolate cake. After that, the small brown dog runs very fast. The small brown dog is a noun phrase. Ram wore his favorite shiny blue sweater. Shiny blue sweater or favorite shiny blue sweater is a noun phrase. So phrases are a group of a word which make a sense but not a complete sense. Means we have some additional information regarding this. So the big hairy cat here is a noun phrase, and like that a big shiny city, round chocolate cakes, and the small brown dog and shiny blue sweaters are noun phrase. This is all about your grammar portion in which we completed the noun phrase. So this is a summary video about your ALGA class. Now complete your homework, worksheets and cursive writing worksheets, and some worksheets are related to noun phrase and the chapter Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, about Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Some questions are mentioned in your worksheet, so complete this. Thank you.